edition of Malaysia 2024.
Australia's first families of wine. They're the first few people who start off the wine industry.
I convinced a French person to not drink French wine.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Max， 欢迎收看品酒不酗酒。今天我带大家去参观 Malaysia Best Sommelier Championship 2024年。我们废话不多说 ，Let's go！ 我的电话嘞？
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the grand finals of the Malaysia Best Sommelier Competition or Championship.
This is your dry martini.
I say I ordered martini cocktail for everyone.
Only for me. I'm selfish. I'm French.
So today I'm the sommelier of the restaurant. I'll be doing your drinks. I believe you like to have a martini. May I know what style of martini you like? Some gin martini or vodka martini? Gin. For all of three of you?
Only for me.
Only for you. Would you like a lemon twist or would you like olives?
I would like slightly dirty with a slice of...
How about you, lady? What can I get for you?
We will get back to you.
Oh, get back to me. No problem. Have a look. I'll be back.
Going to be my third.
I'll try to make sure it's palatable. So welcome to Malaysia and welcome to our restaurant, Siri Kemunangu. Start with Louis Roger Estate from Anderson Valley Mendocino from USA, blend of Pinot Noir and Chardonnay. Well, Anderson is quite a cool climate, but it still have very good acidity and some ripeness, just a touch of sweetness to go with the spicy sauce. It's nice with some little bubbles. Yeah, the onde we pair with because it's caramelized with pandan, I like to go with the mori, amber, which is slightly aged. A nutty character is already matched really well with the glutinous rice, which is a bit of a chewiness, goes really well with some grenache base.
You ready?
Yes.
Start.
Beverage number three. Beverage number three is a sake, which is made of rice from Japan. Normally they are non-vintage. A lot of fruitiness. I believe it's Junmai Ginjo. Number one is sparkling. As I can see, there are a lot of gas. There's champagne, non-vintage. Sorry, I like to change my mind. It's prosecco with a Charlotte method, Glera grape. Number two is the sweetest out of the three. It has a botrytis. It's aged in oak. It's a high acidity. I say it's Tokai. Foaming grape and harsh lemon root, 2020. 5 petunias. So glass number four, Vanilla Natural. It has the sweetness, blackberry, black cherries, lovely acidity as well. It's a mori, lovely chocolate cake, chocolate mousse with a vanilla ice cream on the top. Sorry, I would say this is a ruby port from a non-vintage. So it's a Touriga National and Touriga.
Minutes later.
Okay. Your time starts now.
We start with candidate number 3. It was candidate number 2. The winner of the sommelier competition of Malaysia 2024 is candidate number 3. Candidate number 1. Congratulations and thank you for representing Malaysia.
Alright, so for Wakefield in Australia, there's a lot of people who start off the wine industry company. Australia's first families of wine. They're the first few people who start off the wine industry. Wakefield is a family brand, family winemaker, family head, family in the management as well. Flagship, not here today, of course, we keep it for a better scenario. For just today, MBSC, we're focusing on this series called Master Stroke. And of course, wines is about the region, the place. Keeping it short and simple, like a master stroke, like a form of art. Estate is a simple daily drinking, whether it's barbecue, after work, or you're having a hard time during the weekend, you want to enjoy yourself. Estate range is one of the best because of all the awards and all the highlights are right over there. From the Shiraz, Merlot, Cabernet, and even the Riesling and Sauvignon Blanc. What we foresee and what Carback foresee as well is the RTD category, a ready-to-drink category, which is like a cocktail. Take for example, a mojito. I have to go out to a bar and to spend 15 minutes to wait for my cocktail. But this in fact, make it short and simple, versatile, fast, take it out from the fridge, shake it up, add ice, and that's simple. We just launched a new brand into the market called Maison Champy, a very small appellation called Pinot Veugelès, neighbor to a Grand Cru of a Coton. So it's something very unique and something very, very beautiful. I just had the white wine, Pinot Veugelès Blanc, beautiful. In a few years, of course, in Carback, we want to make sure our customers are happy. It's a very small team of dedication that we want to make sure that one person, I can handle a few people and we give our top services to everyone.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Have a good day to you.
So actually, I didn't start hospitality. I studied geography and archaeology in UK. So my friend asked me after I graduated, do you want to do a WSET level 2 in wine? So I got into it and I thought, hey, it's very interesting so I can use my knowledge about the geography and weather and climate in the wine. So I'm quite happy. So I try to study as much as possible, revising my notes, remember what happened previous years and try to work on those. Practical, try to be a bit more used to all the settings. Actually, a lot of things, small things you need to practice, pouring. Actually, the last task, it requires practice as well. To manage stress, that's very tough. I actually didn't sleep well the day before yesterday. So yesterday I struggled a lot and I thought I messed up. Yeah, tonight I'm not doing anything, I'm just going to sleep. There are a lot of turning points in my career, to come back to Malaysia to work as a som in 2014. This year marks 10 years. So when I started Eventful, then I moved to Singapore for 67 pound mile and I got my AS last year. There are a lot of memorable moments. I think Malaysia is still a booming market. Quite a lot of younger generation would like to taste wines. At least people drink in moderation, to taste. It's very good. So since I won, I'm going to the Asia Best and World Best. It's kind of my dream. Finally, it's coming true. I don't need to go another 3 years. So I'm happy for that. Hopefully, I'm doing my MS in 2-3 years as well. Be curious, not only certain beverage or certain wines or certain country. It's important to be curious and passionate about different things. As a sommelier also, I think we need to learn a lot more about food, about wine, about other beverages, and travel more. I try to spend every year my money to travel, so I hope that it's well spent.
Definitely, as you can see a result of today. Thank you so much for your time. I wish all the best for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Alcohol has been my life for some times. I really in love with it. I have patience with it. And every time when I watch YouTube, especially those World Championship, I just get motivated and I want to be like them. They're very top at my own professions.
Probably it's because when I'm 3 years old, my mother put beer in my porridge. Being more passion in food and marriage pairing. I love when I have a drink to pair with my food, and I love it when it has a marriage effect.
Midnight studies, non-stop studies, and memorizing. Even though my memory is bad.
For me, is to listen the conversation for the industry experts. When they say, hey, this vintage not good. Okay, I'll say, okay, I'll remember this. Every sentence come out of their mouth will be a liquid gold to me to absorb. And especially when I go to winery and visit, pay attention to what they are talking to. I just been to Melbourne, been to Yarra and Mornington Peninsula.
And a lot of blind tasting. Practical tasting with all the daigos and everything.
Yeah, being alcoholic as well.
Yeah. For me, I always say, theory is always my weakest part. I'm really not so good at theories and memorizing all those sub-regions, grape varietals, commune, village, and so on. So for me, theory is the hardest part.
For me, I think tasting wines has been evolving due to the climate changes. Blind tasting has been always different and different. Drink more wines so you can be more familiar with it.
Most memorable and the most iconic for me is serving king. I think that is my most precious memories and most precious moment.
I convinced a French person to not drink French wine.
Just do it. Don't think twice. Just do it.
Drink more lah.
Drink more. Just do it.
And that should be it from our interview, and I hope more youngsters who are alcoholic or not alcoholic join this industry. This industry is so fun. If you guys have any questions, just let us know.
I'm at Pan IT. You can come and find me.
I'm still based in Singapore, but I'll be back home soon.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys all the best.
Ciao.
Thank you. 好啦 ，Malaysia Best Sommelier Championship 2024年圆满落幕了。如果你们有什么东西想跟我们的sommelier讲，记得在 comment 下面留言。如果喜欢品酒不酗酒的朋友，记得 like、share、subscribe 我的 channel。下个 video 见，拜拜。Malaysia Best Sommelier Championship，耶！